Welcome back. I'm your TOEFL instructor, and today we're tackling the Read an Academic Passage section by breaking down complex texts into manageable ideas. Let's look at how to navigate academic vocabulary and structure to find the right answers every time. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working toward your dream score together. Listen closely to the speaker's statement and try to anticipate how a helpful listener would respond. Pay attention to whether they are describing a problem or asking for information.
I am having trouble renewing my parking permit online today.
I am having trouble renewing my parking permit online today. The speaker is expressing a specific problem by saying they are having trouble with an administrative task. Because the issue involves renewing my parking permit specifically through an online platform, we should look for a response that offers a workaround or assistance. Let's listen to our options to find the best reply. Let's listen to option A. You should visit the transportation office instead. This is a strong response because it provides a logical alternative to the online issue mentioned in the stimulus. By suggesting that the speaker visit the transportation office instead, it addresses the trouble directly with a practical solution. This is likely our correct answer. Now, let's hear what option B says. The parking lot is full this morning. While this option mentions a parking lot, it doesn't actually address the speaker's difficulty. The fact that the lot is full is a separate issue from the speaker's goal of renewing their permit. We can eliminate this one. Here is option C. Let's see if it fits. I parked my car in the garage. This response is a simple statement about where someone parked, which does not help the speaker who is having trouble with their permit renewal. It is a conversational dead end that ignores the speaker's implied request for help. Let's evaluate the response in option D. Yes, the internet is very fast here. This is a classic distractor that picks up on the word online from the stimulus. However, stating the internet is very fast doesn't help solve the problem of renewing a permit that isn't working. It's an irrelevant observation. The most natural reply is option A, since it offers a clear alternative to the failed online system. Therefore, the best response is option A because it directly resolves the speaker's conflict.